Hey crypto folks, welcome back to another exciting guide on navigating the world of cryptocurrency. Are you ready to transfer your TRC20 USDT from OKX to Binance? This process might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Great. Let's break down the safest and most efficient ways to do this. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to transfer your funds with confidence. First things first. Make sure you're logged into both your OKX and Binance accounts. This is crucial to ensure a smooth transfer process. Alright, let's head over to OKX. This is where we'll initiate the transfer. Once you're in, go to your wallet and find USDT, click Withdraw. This will open up the withdrawal interface where you'll input the necessary details. Now time to switch to Binance. Make sure you have your Binance account ready to receive the funds. Go to your wallet and find USDT again, but this time you're going to click Deposit. This is where you'll get the address to receive your funds. Make sure you select the TRC20 network. This is important to avoid any transfer issues. Copy the deposit address. Back to OKX. Paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal address field on OKX. Double check this address. Seriously, double check it. A small mistake can lead to big losses. Any mistake here could result in losing your funds. Always be cautious and take your time. Next, choose the TRC20 network on OKX. This ensures that the transfer is compatible and goes through smoothly. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Make sure you have enough balance to cover the amount and any associated fees. Be mindful of the withdrawal fee. It's usually pretty low on the TRC20 network, but it's always good to know. Hit Submit. It's usually pretty low on the TRC20 network, but it's always good to know. Hit Submit. This will initiate the transfer process. Okay, now you'll need to confirm the withdrawal. This step is crucial to authorize the transfer. This might involve a code sent to your email or phone, or even a Google Authenticator code. Make sure you have access to these for a smooth process. Complete those steps and confirm the withdrawal. And now, we wait. This is the part where patience is key. Transfers on the TRC20 network are usually fast, but it can take a few minutes to see your USDT appear in your Binance account. Keep an eye on your Binance wallet. While we wait, let me give you a bonus tip. This is something every crypto enthusiast should know. Always keep your recovery phrases and private keys secure. These are the keys to your crypto kingdom. Never share them with anyone, not even with people you trust. It's better to be safe than sorry. Store them in a safe place like a hardware wallet or a secure offline document. This adds an extra layer of security. Alright, your USDT should now be in your Binance account. Easy, right? You've successfully completed the transfer. Just remember, always double check addresses and network types, and keep those recovery phrases safe. These small steps can save you from big headaches. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button. It helps us create more content for you. Subscribe for more crypto tips. We regularly post guides and updates to help you navigate the crypto world, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Stay safe and keep exploring the exciting world of crypto.